Welcome to another guided meditation with Ivy and Light. Find a comfortable position and take a moment to relax. Today we will focus on a simple releasing technique to help you overcome limiting beliefs and negative emotions that may be holding you back from taking big steps in your life. Before we begin, gather your favorite crystals or any item that brings you comfort and supports your intention. Choose any crystal that resonates with your personal journey. Before we start working with this releasing affirmation, it is important to identify the issue you're experiencing at this moment in time. Recognize the limiting belief, self-doubt, or negative emotion that keeps surfacing. Take a moment to reflect on how it feels within your mind and body. What are you afraid of happening or not happening? Acknowledge these thoughts and emotions because they have served a purpose in your life. But now it's time to let them go. Now, on the other side, think about what you want to replace these thoughts and emotions with. What is the opposite of your fears or limiting beliefs? Now that we know the energy we desire to cultivate in our life, let's begin the affirmation process. Place one hand on your heart. If you're holding your crystals, keep hold of them and allow their vibrations to transfer into your heart chakra. Now place your other hand on your head, connecting the energy of your heart and mind. Take 3 deep breaths to center yourself. Breathing in and breathing out. Again, breathing in and breathing out. One last time, breathing in and breathing out. Now repeat the releasing affirmation after me, either out loud or in your mind. Say it with intention and belief. You're going to say, I release and insert that limiting belief, which no longer serves me in a positive and productive manner. So I release, fill in the blank, which no longer serves me in a positive and productive manner. Repeat this statement 3 times, allowing each repetition to reinforce your intention. Now repeat after me. I release, which no longer serves me in a positive and productive manner. I release, which no longer serves me in a positive and productive manner. I release, which no longer serves me in a positive and productive manner. Now it's time to replace that limiting belief with a positive affirmation. Here's the affirmation we'll use. I choose and fill in that energy you desire in your life. I believe in that energy. I manifest that energy. One more time, it's going to be I choose, fill in the blank. I believe, I manifest. Repeat 3 times, embracing these new beliefs with conviction. Let's go through the entire process together. Take a deep breath in and release it slowly. Let's replace that limiting belief with our positive affirmation, repeating after me. I choose, I believe, I manifest. I choose, I believe, I manifest. I choose, I believe, I manifest. Repeat this to yourself a few more times to really solidify this positive affirmation. Take a moment to feel the comforting presence of your crystal and embrace its energy. Take one final deep breath in, allowing the positive energy to fill your being. And exhale slowly, releasing any remaining tension or doubt. As we conclude this meditation, I wish you a fantastic week filled with blessings and positivity. May you continue releasing what no longer serves and replacing it with beliefs that align with your true desires. Until next time, love and blessings.